Health education. The Digestive and Circulatory Systems Revision Quiz for Kids 4 through 12. Digestive system. The system that breaks down food into smaller particles or soluble particles is called digestive system. Organs of the digestive system include the mouth, pharynx, throat, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Digestion also involves other parts of the body which make digestive juices and enzymes that help the body digest food and liquids. They are the salivary glands, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. Digestion takes place in three main stages as follows: in the mouth, in the stomach, and in the small intestines. Food is broken down by both physical and chemical means. The physical breakdown of food begins in the mouth. Where does absorption of food into the bloodstream take place? In the small intestines. Digestion of food starts in the mouth and ends in the small intestines. Liquid in the mouth that helps in the digestion of starch is saliva. Saliva contains digestive chemicals called enzymes. In the mouth, the enzymes in the saliva break down starch into sugar. When food is swallowed, it passes through the gullet, also called the esophagostoma, into the stomach. The stomach produces gastric juice, which is used in the breaking down or digestion of proteins into chemical liquids which can be absorbed into the body. Digested food in the stomach becomes liquid and passes into the small intestines. In the small intestines, proteins, fats, and vitamins are broken down into chemical liquids which are absorbed into the bloodstream through the walls of the small intestines. While digested food is absorbed in the small intestines, the undigested food, also known as roughage, moves into the large intestines. About 90% of the water we drink is absorbed in the small intestines with food nutrients, while the remaining part is absorbed in the large intestines. The large intestine absorbs water and changes the waste from liquid into stool, also called feces. Finally, from the large intestines, semi-solid waste called feces is sent out through the anus. The circulatory or blood system. The system that carries blood around the body is called the blood system or circulatory system. Where in the body is our blood made pure? In the lungs. The organ that carries oxygenated blood and food to all parts of the body is called the arteries. The organ that carries waste products and carbon dioxide to where they can be sent out is called the veins. The smallest blood vessels that carry food to and from the cells to the arteries and veins are called the capillaries. The engine is to the car as the heart is to the body. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Impure blood from the body enters the heart through the vena cava. Impure blood is sent to the heart through the pulmonary artery. Pure blood from the lungs returns to the heart through the pulmonary vein. What fights germs in the body that cause sicknesses? The white blood cells. Which blood cells carry food and oxygen to all parts of the body? The red blood cells. A liquid that carries waste products like carbon dioxide and other liquids to where they are excreted is called plasma. Very small particles which help the blood to clot when we have a cut are called platelets. Some functions of blood in the body are: 1. Blood regulates the body's temperature. 2. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. 3. Blood carries waste products from where they are produced to where they are excreted or sent out. 4. Blood clots and reduces bleeding when we have a cut. There are two kinds of blood cells, namely red and white blood cells. Which blood cells fight diseases in the body? The white blood cells. When white blood cells increase abnormally, the person is said to be suffering from leukemia. One function of blood in the body is that it carries food nutrients to all parts of the body. The liquid part of blood is called blood plasma, while the reddish part of blood is called red blood cells. The most important of all parts of the body is the heart.